Now we're coming down Grey Friars, so we're heading up to Stone, Newcastle A34, so we're going up the Stone Road. You can see the sign there, it's the second exit. Now what we need to do, we need to move into the right hand lane. We're going to check the mirrors, indicate shoulder, bring it over to the right hand lane safely in good time. And as you can see on the floor, they're a bit faded, but the left lane is for the actual road only, and the right lane is to go ahead towards Stone, or to come back yourself. We don't need the indicator here, but what we are going to do, we're going to slow down for the yellow car. Now people do make the mistake here and they use the left lane to go ahead. So what you're going to do at this point is check your centre mirror, left mirror shoulder, indicate left, and exit the roundabout if it's safe to do so. If it isn't safe, you want to put the right indicator on and then go back around. Don't try and force anybody out of the way or try and block somebody off. Just put the right indicator on and go back around the roundabout full circle.